Okay, this is the second video for Monday, April 13th, and now we're in your book looking at your first example problem. Here's that chart we just talked about, and we are looking at converting cups to ounces. Cups are larger than ounces, so that means we're going to multiply. Same rule, larger to smaller is multiply. So we are going to multiply 6.5 times 8, which is how many ounces are in a cup. And they have divided this out where you can take 6 times 8 and then 1/2 times 8, and that is you get 48 here, and then half of 8 is 4, and 48 plus 4 is 52. Therefore 6.5 cups is 52 ounces. We can also do it, well, let me write the 8 there. And remember how if you're going to multiply it out this way, you want to turn that into an improper fraction. 6 times 2 plus 1 is 13 over 2 times 8 over 1. Cross cancel here, and 13 times 4 is 52. So either way, you get that there are 52 fluid ounces. All right, let's look at that second example. Now we're going from quarts to gallons. Gallons being larger, quarts are smaller, so we're going to divide, and there are 4 quarts in a gallon. We're dividing 14 divided by 4, and if you were going to work that out, you're going to do a problem like that. It goes in 3 whole times. 14 times 3 is 12. We're going to make that a fractional remainder. 2 is your numerator, 4 is that denominator, and that equals what? I'll write it down here, 3 and 1/2. So 14 quarts is 3 and 1/2 of a gallon. All right, let's look at your example on page 542. Let me pull this down a little bit. Okay. All right, let's look at this example together. A car's engine contains 4.5 quarts of oil. Can a mechanic use a 24-cup container to drain all of that oil? So a container that holds 24 cups, will it drain all of the oil? Okay, so we are really, in essence, converting, let me write it here, 4.5 quarts. We need to see how many cups that is, and if a 24-cup container will hold it. So we're going from larger to smaller, so we're going to multiply. We turn that into an improper fraction. 8 plus 1 is 9 over 2. And how many cups are in a quart? Let me just flip back here and show you. 2 cups in a pint. 2 pints in a quart, therefore 2 times 2 would be 4. There are 4 cups in a quart. So we're going to multiply this by 4 over 1, and we're not having to flip anything. I would cross cancel if I were you, and then 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, so there are 2 pints in a quart, 4.5. Let's see here, let me go down. 2 cups in a pint. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 is less than 24. So yes, the mechanic can use that container because they're only going to be draining 18 cups of oil, and that will hold 24 cups. So yes, it will hold it. Okay, so you are going to do, actually I wanted to do these problems with you on the bottom of this page also. Let me put that down there. Okay, let me do these with you. And then you're going to do page 541 and 542. Okay, we're going from gallons to quarts, which means we're going to multiply how many quarts are in a gallon. Look at your chart, and you'll see that's 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, we're going from pints to cups, which is larger to smaller. And there's 2 pints in 2 cups in 1 pint. So we're going to multiply by 2. 20 times 2 is 40. Here you're going from pints to quarts, and that is smaller to larger. We're going to divide. 2 pints are in a quart, so we're going to divide that by 2, which is 21. And then 68 quarts are in 68 quarts is how much of a gallon? So we're going to divide again because quarts are smaller. So we're going to divide 68 divided by how many quarts in a gallon? 4. And that gives us 17. So 17 gallons. All right. So you're doing the same rule where if it's larger to smaller, you multiply, smaller to larger, divide, and just use your chart. Okay.